Sorry, I'm not supposed to chew my nails, but I was a little nervous. But here goes. I'm here to tell you a little commercial about the Mooseburger eAlley all puppet Zoom. Yes, well, this is our chance to get away from all those clowns and have our very own Zoom party. Maybe you'd like to tell a song? Sing a song, that's right, and tell a joke, yes. And, you could just tell me one of your new adventures. Yeah, and we'll have some fun. It's Saturday, February 18th at 4 o'clock. I can't wait to see you. Bye for now. Was that okay? Okay.